Yep.
It comes over here. Comes over like that. If you haven't got that on and you push that, it comes up and says, rightio, that something's got on.
Yeah.
Right, and that's saying only thing good there, electricity.
Rightio.
So you push that.
You push that.
Right,
Sweet.
and that clears everything.
Excellent.
As soon as you got that, you can go. Whoop.
Yep. That's going to do the recalibration cycle from there.
But you only got to do that when you turn it on the start off with each stage.
That's all you have to do.
Yeah. For some reason this, you're going to come and have a look at this. That doesn't stop, you know, so why go like that?
Stop there.
But it's calibrated.
And you're all ready to go.
Yeah.
And how do you start the milling head?
How do you start it?
Yeah.
Milling head. That's it there.
Yep.
Started. Here we go. Oh, there it is.
There it is. So it's a bit touchy feely.
That's where you chisel.
Yep. That's for the milling head. Yeah, because the one we've got at the moment